man, hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, do a make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video. Tuning in. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, comment, notifications. I think that's it. But today, as you can see, Nightmare is in Nipsey's spot. Hopefully I'll be able to get to watch Nipsey in a little bit. But today I'm gonna actually try to get to the surging thing. I haven't been messing with this car for a little while because I ended up running into some issues with Nipsey's tires. Front right dry rotted and blew out on me on the highway. Front left had a giant, like 5-inch crack in it. And then the rear right is currently leaking, so I'm pretty sure that's a cracked rim. So about $400 something later, the front two are good, but I still got more to do with it. So today I'm going to try to get this fuel rail put in, but first I'm going to try to mess with the aftermarket fuel pressure regulator that's in there. Hopefully I can get that to work, and then I don't have to put the fuel rail in, but I probably still might do it. So anywho, we'll see. So let's go ahead and do a couple things, and we'll see how it runs. Oh yeah, I walked myself out the trunk. Okay, so this is the aftermarket fuel pressure regulator. I'm not sure how I would adjust this or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it because I don't think it's really doing anything. So I'm gonna get rid of it and put the old fuel pressure regulator that goes on here back in, and then see what happens with the surging. So we got the injectors out. The line is basically out. Thing about this one never had clips on it, but this one that I got actually does have clips, and all the injectors are looking fine. So we'll see how they fire. If I have any misfires, then I'll know if it's an injector. But this one also has the regular fuel pressure regulator on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum line this to the right spot and then see how the car runs. So now the fuel rail is out, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can route this line around the back. If I can't, then I'll just get a whole new fuel line, route around the back to over here to this area, and then just slap the new fuel rail in. I hope this fixes it. But let's see. We have the injector fuel rail in. It's in, as you can tell. But pulled out the, what am I thinking of? What is the word? Fuel pressure regulator, the aftermarket one. Put the other fuel rail in and gonna see how it runs. Connect back up these lines, connect back up the intake, which I need a new one for because it looks ugly. And then we'll see how it runs. Most likely it's still gonna be trash. Okay, so ran it up a little bit. I still haven't got the codes cleared yet. It's still doing the same thing that it was doing, the whole up and down with RPM, whatever. So next thing I'm going to do is pull these, get new spark plugs, new coil packs, and see if that does anything for it. Hopefully that's the little issue. However, I did get the trunk open. Bam! Nothing that a little drill and screwdriver couldn't fix. So, yeah. So now I'm gonna pull those out and see what they look like, and then after I do that and figure out if there's anything wrong with it, then I'm pretty sure that'll be the end of it, because I'm pretty sure this car has more problems. Oh well. Okay, these things look pretty bad. Now it has water on it, so I'm pretty sure it's from the rain, whatever. But I'm thinking what I might do is just pull the valve cover on this like now, or do a video on pulling the valve cover and changing it, and because it looks pretty simple, and at the same time I can clean everything out while I'm in there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's pull the, blow out the cylinders and then pull the spark plugs. Well, coil packs and spark plugs are out. I don't know if you guys could see the stuff blowing out of the cylinders, but they look pretty beat up, pretty old. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these two. So I'll be changing the spark plugs, the valve cover gasket, and I'll probably go and try to find a couple of these to change because they look like trash. Like, yeah, that's nasty. And that had all water on it. So I'm gonna try to get these things changed out. There's gonna be a video for the valve cover gasket, a video for the spark plug removal, and I'm not sure what else, but there's gonna be a lot more updates for this car. So we'll see. Well, it is time for me to get ready to go to work. Actual work, not this type of work. So that's gonna be the end of this video. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications. More vlogs to come for the E36, E92, and of course, Nipsey. He's outside though. So catch you guys in the next video.